truth behind it. Love is out there waiting somewhere. You just have to go and find it. I believe in love. I believe in love. Love that's real, love that's strong, love that lives on and on. Yes, I believe in love. Yes, I believe in Can you send?
Welcome, friends, on this beautiful and joyous day. I call upon everyone present to be a fellow witness with me in the marriage between Jennifer and Todd. We are here to wish them well and every happiness for their future life together as a couple and as a family with Luke and Gabriel. Love is a miraculous gift, and a wedding is a celebration of that magic. And that's what we're here to do today. We're gathered together to be overjoyed for and with Jennifer and Todd, who are so wonderfully suited to one another that it's pure delight for the rest of us to see how immutably happy two people can be. When we think of love, we sometimes talk about people who deserve one another. Not only do Jennifer and Todd deserve one another, but they are a perfect match, a pair, a fit. They were given to one another and fell so deeply in love that they had no choice but to make a life together. Jennifer and Todd are the embodiment of true romance, which matured into true love. They are the example of love that in its lightheartedness dissolved the notion of love as hard work. They are the promise of possibility, the expectation of joyful surprise. So hooray! We're here to celebrate. They have learned the power of a bond forged by two people, not two becoming one, but individuals standing together, stronger than either alone, as described by the great poet Khalil Gibran. Love one another, but make not a bond of love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of our souls. Sing and dance together and be joyous, but let each of you be alone, even as the strings of a lute are alone, though they quiver with the same music. We all live in the hope of loving and being loved, and any sign of the blossoming of love is a true inspiration. Therefore, we give thanks for Jennifer and Todd's sweet happiness. Their enthusiasm electrifies us, and their great expectations encourage us beyond measure. Jennifer and Todd, a happy marriage will enable you to establish a home with love and stability, where your family and friends will always be welcome, and which will be a base from which the influence of your shared, and we hope, strengthened life today can extend. Jennifer Angel and Todd Wayne Morose, will you take vows here before all of us which symbolize the manifested vows you have already made and will continue to make throughout your lives?
Yes. Here's my vow. Okay. Everybody, take a deep breath and look around and notice where you are, and be aware that you're alive at this moment, here with us, and all of these dear people. And in this moment, you're present, and in this presence, you stand with us as we join together. Promise this is good. A man walks into a bar. Yeah, it's an opening line to a lot of jokes. But for me, it was the opening of a new life, and a life with you, Jennifer. You're such an amazing person, and you draw and are drawn to amazing people, as everybody around here. And as I've gotten to know you and them, I can more and more appreciate it, and I'm in awe. And I just look around and see them here. And you guys are amazing people. And now you're drawn me to you also. I'm fortunate, and I'm aware of that. You brighten every day with joy and openness and honesty, and your beautiful sunny smile, which people can see coming down the road when they're waiting for you at the airport and don't even know that it's you coming. Not Peter. And I want to be a part of that world forever. And
when you first turned around and smiled at me, I was Connors at the bar. I felt a jolt inside that told me something important was happening.